Hi, welcome back. The problem today is about the exponential equation, but in the exponent, it contains the sine x and cosine x. Now, let's get started. We have 3 power of sine square x plus 3 power of cosine square x equal to 2 power of x plus 2 power of negative x plus 2. So for this kind of equation, that is a special form because on the left hand side you see that exponent is contained represented with the sine x function and cosine x function. And on the right hand side, in the exponent, it contains only x and negative x. That is not have the general method to show this kind of equation with this specific form. So we have to think about guessing the root first, because when we guess in the root, we can find the way along to solve this kind of equation. First of all, we can try with guessing x equal to 1. Obviously, on the right hand side, this would be equal around 4.5. And on the left hand side, that's something like 3 power sine 1 and 3 power of cosine 1. That is not the something that is very cannot equal to 4.5. So we can conclude that x equal to 1 cannot be a root of the equation. Then we try to another common value that x equal to 0. And if x equal to 0, the left hand side would be equal to 4. And the right hand side also equal to 4. That we can consider that is the solution of this equation. Now, we will see this one. That we look at on the left hand side and the right hand side. Try to think about a transformation to factorize the equation to a few factors, and one factor can be contained x, but it looks like impossible because we cannot do that by this way. Then we think about trees. We can do simple thing like 3 power of sine square x plus 3 power of cosine square x equal to 2 power of x plus 2 power of negative x plus 2. So on the left hand side, it would be equal to 3 power of sine square x plus 3 power of 1 minus sine square x, because sine square x plus cosine square x equal to 1. Then on the right hand side, just have this minus 2 plus 4. Why we do that? Because why we do that? That's the question. I do that because you will raise the question that I will do that because you know the answer of this equation, so you know how to do that. So for you, if you don't know the answer of this equation, you follow me by the step to guessing the value. this is expressing the value of x, that is x equal to 0, and I do the expression like this because if I replace x equal to 0 here, then this expression would be equal to 0. And the 0 is a special value in any equation. So that's the way we can think about and try to apply in the equation. By that way, this will be equal to an expression 2 power of x over 2 minus 2 power of x negative x over 2 square. So then we move the 4 to the left hand side, that is 3 square 3 power of psi square x plus 3 power of 1 minus psi square x minus 4 equal to 2 power of x over 5 over 2 minus 2 power of negative x over 2 square. Okay, on the left hand side we will have 3 psi minus 1 multiplied by 3 psi square x minus 3 over 3 psi square x, and this will equal to 2 power of x over 2 minus 2 power of negative x over 2 square. Of course, in this case, the left hand side, because psi square x always greater or equal to 0 and smaller equal to 1, then it means 3 power of psi square x is between 3 and 1. This means 3 power of psi square x minus 1 greater or equal than 0, and 3 power of psi square x minus 3 is smaller or equal to 0. Then the product of these two expressions should be smaller or equal to 0. Obviously, the left hand side should be equal or smaller than 0. However, the right hand side, this is the square number. The right hand side always greater or equal than 0. It means the left hand side equal to the right hand side when both equality happen. And the equality happen when 2 power of x over 2 equal to 2 power of negative x over 2 and psi x equal to 0. It means x have to be equal to 0. Finally, this is the root of the equation, the same as the guessing value at the beginning. So the lesson from this equation is this equation is the special form. We cannot do the transformation, cannot do the factorize to be a few factor. So we try to apply the method by guessing the root value. And after we guess the root value, we try to transform the expression into an expression when you replace the value that you consider is a root of this function. Then when you replace that, the expression equal to 0. In this case, that is 2 power of x plus 2 power of negative x minus 2. After that, you transform the left hand side and the right hand side. Try to use the inequality or property. Then find the equality happen once the left hand side and the right hand side equal together. Finally, you find x is equal to 0. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.